This is 2D Design with Rob Colvin. For this assignment, I'm going to open up this sketch in Photoshop and show you how to skew it to make it the correct proportions to fit the 7 by 10 inch window that you see here. Go to File and New, or you can do Command N or Control N. It says this assignment is going to be 7 inches wide by 10 inches tall, 150 pixels an inch. Make our background white and click OK. So there we have a space in which to work, and I ask you to do 10 sketches for this assignment and have them on a USB drive, or you could email them to yourself. So I'm going to go to my sketches and I'm going to open this up in Photoshop to transfer it onto that space. So here are a few of my sketches in my sketchbook. I think I want to do that one. So I'm going to get the marquee tool so I can press M, and I am going to surround that space. Command C or Control C on your PC. So I just copied it. I'll go back to this space and I will do Command V or Control V. Now that we have our image in here, we want to make it the correct proportions for our space. So we go up to Edit and down to Free Transform, or you could do Command T or Control T. So I want my corners there showing or right to the edges. Press Enter to set it in place. So I'm going to do Command A to select the whole layer, and then I'm going to go to Image and Crop. What that did was get rid of all the space that I just stretched beyond the edges. Now I'm going to go to Edit, and I am going to go to Transform. Then I'm going to go to Skew. Skew allows me to pull the corners where they need to be. I'll press Enter and then go to Image and Crop. And then I'm going to do Free Transform one more time, and I'm going to pull that up. Click Return, I'll go to Image and Crop. Now I want to go over to this layer here, and I'm going to reduce the opacity. My next step is to start the line work, which will be shown in the other videos.